Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss enumeration versus iterator interface in Java. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first we'll see what is enumeration and iterator in Java. The enumeration is a read-only interface, can be used with legacy classes such as vector, stack, and hash table, not safe for concurrent modification. Iterator is a read-write interface, can be used with all collection in the collection framework, safe for concurrent modification. These two interfaces are present in Java ETL package. So let's see what are the methods are present in these two interfaces. Iterator has as next, next, and remove, whereas enumeration has more has more elements and next element, and there is no remove method. Enumeration is introduced in JDK 1.0 and iterator it is JDK 1.2. And we see that methods and enumeration is a fail safe and iterator is fail fast. Safe and secure, the enumeration is there is no safe and secure, but iterator is safe and secure. Let's see what is the difference between these two. So using enumeration, you can only traversal the collection. You can't do any modifications to collections while traversaling it. So using iterator, you can remove an element of collections while traversaling it. Enumeration introduced in JDK 1.0, iterator is introduced in 1.2. Enumeration is used to traversal the legacy classes like vector, stack, as I mentioned, hash table. So iterator is used to iterate most of the classes in the collection framework like array list, as set, as map, include list, etc. So this has two methods and this has three methods. And enumeration is fail safe in nature. Iterator is fail fast in nature. Enumeration is not safe, secure due to its fail safe nature. Iterator is safe and secure than enumeration. You understood, guys? There is a difference between these two. And here it is only used purpose of read only, and here you can do the rewrite operation. So let's see the working session. So friends, yeah, I have switched to Eclipse IDE to demonstrate enumeration and iterator interface. So first, let's look into the enumeration part, how it works. So we have created an interface, object using vector. So as we know, right, enumeration is a part of legacy framework. So vector is a legacy class. So in the collection, so as I used vector, and in the vector, I've added some list of strings, and with the help of element vector object dot elements will give us enumeration object, and using a while loop to print the element in the console. So as more elements method is a boolean value. I mean return type is a boolean. So if there any element is present in the list, it returns true. If it once it reaches at the end of the element, if there is no more element to iterate, then it returns false. So e dot get next element is basically returns the current pointer elements. So initially it start with the position 1, and I try to get the element, and then once it get, and it will move to the next cursor. Likewise, it will go till the last element in the list. Uh, and here I have one if condition just to modify the actual list. So because um, enumeration is fail safe in nature, so that's the reason just I'm trying to demo it. If I'm adding any element in the list, I mean in the vector object, should not throw any concurrence modification error or any other kind of errors. So that's the case. So it will try to add this element to the list happily. Let's execute this code and see what is the output. So here we got all 5 elements. So 4 is from the actual list, and fifth one is we added iterated process. So this is works as expected. So there is no error thrown in this code. Let's move to the next demo, like iterator demo. So in this, I used array list, list collection, so list object. So in the list object, I have added some four strings in the list, and using iterator method, I try to read the iterator object. It is similar fashion. It's same thing. Like it used the as next. It returns a boolean value, and and so, um, so here also I'm trying to modify to the actual object. So in this scenario, what happens? Let's do one thing. Let's comment out these two and try to see what is the output of it. So expected will be the dog will be removed from the list. It's removed, and so this remove is from the iterator implementation. Like we have the remove method in the iterated level, not from the actual, because um, if I try to modify the actual list, it will throw an error because this is fail fast in nature, that we understand, right? So let's see, we'll modify the list. What is the behavior? See friends, it's thrown the concurrent modification error. So we understood, right? So we can only remove the element from the given list using iterator remove method. So if you try to add or remove, if I try to remove, like remove remove, say dog, just I want to remove this part. So what it happens, will throw on concurrent because we are modifying the actual data. So it will throw on concurrent modification here. Okay, friends, I hope you understood the enumeration and interface, sorry, iterator interface difference and what how it behaves. So in next video, we'll see in the interesting topic. Until, thanks, bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more great content. I post new videos every frequent, so you don't want to miss out. Thank you.